Druck. I am the Technology Integration Coach for grades 5 through 8.
And I'm Brian Booker. I'm a social studies teacher at Manhattan Township Middle School teaching 7th and 8th grade social studies.
So we teamed up this year to bring the STEM mindset into social studies, and this is our Oregon Trail project. At the core, I come from a STEM background, and we wanted to bring that STEM mindset, which is really like the innovator's mindset, which connects really well to social studies, but it isn't always the natural connection that is made. But through our collaboration, we've really had the opportunity to get our kids to start thinking about the problems that are faced, but in a more design, empathy, engineering mindset.
Yeah, so when we're learning about the Oregon Trail in our social studies class in 8th grade, we talk about why people are moving west. So we understand the pull factors that brought people out west. Understanding that leads us to understanding the difficulties of the trail and how you had to plan and prepare and problem solve for issues that you had. So this collaboration really helps students understand how settlers were able to plan for their trip out west, but using the STEM problem solving and growth mindset, they were able to overcome different issues they had designing their wagons and coding the robots to actually move their way through the different trails. What's nice is that we were able to team up and write a grant through MTEF to purchase the Sphero bolts for us to make this activity possible. So that has been a really helpful thing to teach students those 21st century skills of coding, collaboration, teamwork, communication, and creative thinking to take an active role in the learning of history.
I'm Emmeline Webster. I'm in 8th grade.
I'm Addison Metz, and I'm in 8th grade too.
I like most about this project probably the fact that we're able to problem solve, because a lot of times we don't get the chance to problem solve because we have to do different research things, but that it doesn't give us a chance to actually problem solve. So I like how we're able to connect the different social studies things together with STEM.
And I like that we're able to be more hands-on when we're doing social studies, because usually you think of it as you have that in art and tech ed and other things like that, when we're outside and being able to be hands-on learning, and it helps us to actually understand what it was like when other people had it.
Yeah, and I like also though that we were able to you don't think, when you think of social studies, you think of textbooks and all that, but when you're doing this, you're actually able to understand the content and how they're doing and what they do in the Oregon Trail.
Hi, I'm Molly O'Shea. I'm in 8th grade in Mr. Booker's social studies class. And I would probably have to say my favorite thing about this project is kind of how hands-on it is. I've really loved the experience of being able to get to build our own wagons with limited materials, because it kind of trains your mind to think about how you're going to have to do things without having unlimited materials to do everything. But I definitely think it's been super fun to build the wagon, as well as being able to code them and practice going through the obstacle courses to kind of see how it's going to work and then be able to go back and fix it.